Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Bathinda. It is located in Punjab. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Karjit. They are looking for commercial support officer dairy. Coming to the key accountabilities, like the candidates should follow specific detailed instructions to answer product related questions and trace lost shipments, and with direction interpret and clarify customer orders for the shipping department, and the candidates should take orders over the phone when necessary and may handle web-based ordering and follow accepted guidelines to handle customer credits and unreturned goods for credit and solve routine problems of limited scope and complexity and following established policies and procedures, and the candidates should handle basic issues and problems under direct supervision while escalating more complex issues to appropriate staff, and other duties are assigned. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Varnika Jewelries, Bank Bazaar. They are looking for retail sales officer. Coming to the required experience, skills and qualifications, like they are looking for graduates, preferably candidates belonging to Bathinda. Coming to the benefits, like they will provide 1 month on the job training to the selected candidates, and in addition to the salary, they will also pay incentives as per company rules. Coming to the job type, it will be full time and salary will be 9,000 to 15,000 per month, and the job is a day shift and education will be bachelor's is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Global Discovery School. They are looking for mother teacher, TGT or PGT English, Maths, Science, Computer, MPED, ARTC. Coming to the job responsibilities, like the candidates are responsible for providing an excellent educational atmosphere where students have the opportunity to utilize their potential for intellectual, emotional, physical, spiritual, and psychological growth, and the candidates are responsible for planning, teaching, and class management, and the candidates are responsible for monitoring, assessment, recording, reporting, and curriculum development, and special emphasis on real-world learning and skill-based learning. Coming to the skills required, like the candidates should be good at written or spoken English and possess thorough knowledge of the subject. And coming to the job type, it will be a full time, and coming to the salary, it will be 14,000 to 25,000 per month. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Charms Education and Immigration Services. They are looking for Vice Chancellor. Coming to the qualifications and skills required, like the candidates should be a graduate in any stream, and the candidate should be experienced in same field, and candidate will be preferred, and excellent sales skills of Canada Studies Visa and knowledge about study visa of UK, USA, Germany will be an added advantage for this job role, and counseling the clients regarding requirements of documents, filling procedures and answering inquiries from customers and resolve issues, and thorough knowledge of visa filling and admission process, and effective communication and interpersonal skills are required, and pleasing personality and effective and excellent communication skills are required. These are the qualifications and skills required for this job role. And coming to the job type, it will be a full time, and coming to the salary, it will be 20,000 to 25,000 per month. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available for computer operator cum office assistant in Kalsi Industries. Coming to the job responsibilities like taking and delivering messages, ensuring the office runs smoothly, maintaining files, and the candidates should be welcoming visitors to their office and answering phone calls, making a quotation in MS Word. And coming to the job type, it will be a full time, and pay scale will be, it ranges from 10,000 per month, and it is a day shift. And coming to the supplemental pay, it will be commission pay, overtime pay, and performance bonus will be there. And coming to the education required, like bachelor's degree is preferred. And coming to the experience required, total work 1 year is preferred, and in computer expert 1 year is preferred. Coming to the languages known, like English and Hindi are preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in India Job Corps. They are looking for loan officers mortgage loan. Coming to the vacancies, there are 10 vacancies are available for this job role, and take a home salary between 10,500 to 15,000, and it is based on work experience, and handsome incentives will be there, like from 5,000 to 15,000. And coming to the eligibility criteria, like graduation is must, and the candidate should have their own vehicle. And coming to the job type, it will be a part-time and walk-in. And coming to the benefits, like they will provide you health insurance and provident fund, and it is a day shift. And coming to the supplemental pay, like they will provide you commission pay. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Bharat Fresher. They are looking for branch relationship executive. Coming to the job responsibilities, like sitting in branch and create a relationship with customers and convert in sale and data collection and telecalling. And they will need male and female candidates, and both graduation is compulsory, and job type will be a full time, and pay scale will be 10,000 to 12,000 per month, and a bachelor's degree is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Atulya Healthcare. They are looking for marketing executive. Coming to the job responsibilities, like to identify potential customers and prepare a customer list in the assigned area, and ensure continuous growth and achievement of assigned targets on monthly basis. Prepare monthly to program which has to approve by his or her immediate superior to whom he or she is reporting, and following it without deviation. And the candidates should submit expense reports in time. These are the job responsibilities. Coming to the job type, it will be a full-time and walk-in. And coming to the pay scales, it will be 20,000 to 25,000 per month, and it will be a morning shift. And education will be bachelor's degrees preferred. And coming to the experience required, like the candidates should have experience in marketing for 2 years is preferred, and total work will be 2 years is preferred. Coming to the languages known, it will be English, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Last one, there is a job opening available in Kiwi Studies, Education and Immigration. They are looking for study visa counselor, and they are looking for only female candidates who has good communication skills, and contract length is 12 months, and job type will be a full-time or contract, and pay scale will be, it ranges from 15,000 to 25,000 per month. And coming to the benefits, it will be paid time off, and it will be a day shift. And coming to the supplemental pay, it will be their commission pay. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.